Hey, fence contractors, fence stainers, painters, check this out, man. We do staining. We manufacture the best oil-based stains in the world. They're low VOC. They're so easy to use, so easy to clean up. I'll show you a project we just finished. We like these Graco sprayers. They put out a lot of product, even with the cheaper models. Look at that, man. It just makes a great job. Just flood coat it on, use a big fat tip. It's a 521 tip, I believe. Oh, a 323. He's using a 323 on this one. A little narrower, but a bigger orifice. So putting out a lot of product. Let's check this out. This looks real uneven at first. We want to flood it. We want runs. We want it to look like that. But what's going to happen after 10, 15 minutes? As you see, this is, it took him 2 minutes to get from here to there. Look how it's starting to even itself out. Look how it's, look at this. It's making its change. After about 10, 15 minutes, this stain completely self-levels. There's no runs. The only thing you've got to do is get it on the wood. Missed a spot on this fence. We're using Stain and Seal Experts pecan deck stain, or fence stain, I'm sorry, on this fence. Just show you how it works a little bit. Get it on your brush. Start at the top. We just like to flood it on there. Get it on nice and thick. It will do all the work for you. You don't have to level it. You don't really have to backbrush anything. And you just go to town. You can be a stain and seal expert too. How about that? All right. Using the wrong kind of brush here. This brush is made for latex stains, water-based. Doesn't hold much product, but just to show you that you can use anything you got laying around to stain with. This is a pecan stain on a western red cedar fence. The pickets are western red cedar. The framework, as you'll notice, is treated pine. It's about 20 degrees last night. It's about 32 degrees right now. We sprayed this a little while ago, and I'm just doing a walkthrough, checking it all out, making sure everything looks good. Our stains wash right off the vinyl siding with soap and water, or we've got some other stuff a little better than that. These metal gate frames, you wipe them down. You don't mask them off. You spray right over them. You wipe them down with a clean rag. Same thing with this gate hardware. We didn't mask any of that. We just wipe it off when we're done. It's the beauty of these oil-based stains.